Hi, this is Milena from the FabLab Today, and today I will show you how you can change the material of the Roland SG2 print and cut machine. First, you need to release the material. You need to press the hand gear on the left side up. After that, you need to loose the screw on the right side. Now your new material can be placed into the machine. First, you have to tighten the screw on the right side again. Then you need to slide some of the material into the machine while the hand gear is still up. Push it down when you're ready so it cannot slide out anymore. Now you need to go back to the front of the machine and make sure that your material is laying straight. If you need to adjust the position, press the hand gear on the right side up. It is also important to check that the material is laying under the both metal discs on the right and the left side. If you think the material is laying in the right position, you can close the lid and press Enter to set up the machine. It will now determine the width of your material, and after that the machine is ready to use. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope to see you soon at the FabLab today.